how to create folder on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone. Here in Telegram, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. Okay, you can see on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. Here in settings, okay, you can see here the chat folder. Okay, tap chat folder. Here in chat folder, in folder section, you can see the create a folder. Okay, you can tap this and now you can create a new folder. Okay, you can create a folder name. So for my example, chat folder name, and also you can include chat by tap the plus add chat button here. And okay, you can see the chat type. So for my example, I add contact, and after that, okay, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to save the included chat. And also you can add the excluded chat here. Okay, you can tap the plus add chat to exclude. Okay, you can tap this, and for my example, here you can see the option of chat type. So for my example, I add the archive, and after that, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to save. And also you can change the folder color by selecting on this color here, and also you can create a share folder link. Okay, you can see below. So okay, to save this folder, you'll have to do is tap the create button on the upper right side on your screen to create a new folder on your Telegrams. Okay, you can back to message or chat, and that's it. Okay, you can see the chat folder here in chat. Okay, we have successfully create folder on Telegram.